Hello, I'm David Woods, a researcher at the Wisconsin Center for Education Research at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I'm the developer of Transana. I'm going to talk about a few of the major innovations Transana has introduced over the 14 years I've been working on this project. But first, let me introduce Transana to those of you who may not already be familiar with it. Transana is a cost-effective tool for the qualitative analysis of video, audio, and still image data. It is designed to meet the needs of qualitative researchers studying complex environments, especially those with complex media data that can be difficult to analyze in other qualitative analysis software packages. Transana, in its most basic form, is made of four main windows: the data window, where you organize your data; the media window, which displays your media file; the transcript window, with one or more transcripts connected to the media file; and the visualization window, where you can see coding and other information about your media file. All of these windows work together during analysis. The transcript plays a crucial role in Transana for one simple reason. Without it, it can be quite difficult to find the specific portions of media in your data that you might be interested in locating. So the transcript serves as a map to the media file, allowing you to easily locate the bits of video and audio that you want. Transana emphasizes flexibility in transcripts, so you can use verbatim transcripts when that's what you need. But you can choose anything from abbreviated transcripts that contain summaries instead of text when you need more analytic efficiency, to conversation analytic transcripts using Jeffersonian notation when that level of detail and precision is required. But the media file remains primary in Transana, and the original media data underlying every bit of text in every transcript, every clip, and every code is never more than a click or two away. The transcript is a tool for navigating the original media file. It is not a less detailed substitute for that data. So let's say we're using Transana's keyword map report to look at the coding we've applied to some video, and we notice that our bottom two codes almost always co-occur. We can simply click the bars in that report to load the underlying video that those codes represent, and can quickly sort out what the co-occurrence really means. You can even display multiple transcripts at the same time. My colleague, Erica Halverson, wanted to be able to look at student-produced documentary videos from the viewpoint of a director, a sound engineer, a video editor, and a cinematographer, all at the same time. This innovation is now used in a wide variety of ways: studying languages and language learning, examining gesture and other nonverbal aspects of video data, interpersonal process recall to explore participants' reflections on things you've recorded earlier. These are just a few of the ways researchers have found to take advantage of the power of multiple transcripts in Transana. Another innovation Transana has introduced is the capacity to drop video screenshots and other images into a transcript. Sometimes this can augment a transcript by capturing in an image what is difficult to express in words. It can also be an extremely efficient way to transcribe the visual layer of your data. I recognize that the capacity to analyze still images has been present in qualitative software for many years, but there are a couple of innovative features in the way it's implemented in Transana that I really like. There are coding shapes. You can give each code a unique color, shape, and line style. Then you can literally draw your coding on an image to be able to associate the selected code with a portion of the image. These coded snapshots become part of your analytic data, analytic artifacts that can be shown in reports and located using the search, and altered as your understanding of your data evolves through the course of your analysis. These snapshots can be associated with a particular position in a media file, so their coding shows up on reports about the media file as well. And you can go full circle, dropping copies of these coded images into transcripts so you can make a particular analytic point about a particular location in a particular media file. Another data problem that researchers have run into is how to analyze multiple simultaneous video files. For example, classrooms are very complex environments, and at WCER we've found that we often capture much more usable data when we send 2 or 3 cameras into a classroom. So Transana added support for multiple simultaneous media files. This feature has also been really useful for capturing data of people working on their computers, combining video from screen capture software with video of the user at the computer. You can see that multiple transcripts easily capture audio from both the participant and from online chat, even when the audio tracks diverge from each other. It is also very popular with researchers who wish to capture participant interaction in large focus groups using multiple cameras. You'll never again have to wonder who said what in a focus group, because multiple cameras allow you to capture much more detail, and Transana allows you to easily analyze this multi-camera data. Transana was the first qualitative analysis software to enable multiple simultaneous users, way back in 2002. With multi-user Transana, an entire team of researchers can access and analyze the same data at the same time, even when those researchers are located in different parts of the world. And just last month, Transana made this feature much more easily available and much more cost-effective by introducing the Transana Cloud Service. Projects no longer need to deal with the technical, administrative, and financial challenges involved in setting up their own server to reap the benefits of using multi-user Transana. One last thing to take away with you is the address for Transana's website, www.transana.org. This is your resource for information about Transana. It's where you can buy the program, watch the tutorial screencasts, and get in touch with me should any questions arise about using the program. In summary, Transana is the most sophisticated software available for the analysis of video, audio, and still image data. The program has a very rich feature set, yet remains remarkably affordable. Its interface is logical and easy to use, but it's also very powerful when your data gets complex. Thank you very much.